Wait for everybody. Yeah, we are going to start. Now just look at the screen here. We are going to start with word problem. Don't write anything. Take a new page. Okay, good morning, children. I finished talking to you before we could start the class. So, hope all are ready with the classwork notebook. Now, we are going to handle word problems. Now, exactly like how it's written on the screen. Just take a new page. In the margin 3/9 to 2020 in the margin. Three, 9, 20. Slowly, neatly. How it's written, you can start from the margin next column. Word problems. How it's written there, just see. W, you can write cursive. W, O, R, D. WORD, word. P, capital P, R, O. Word problems. 2 dots. C.W. You are not going to write now. Listen carefully. You are not going to write now. You just wait. I will read once. Raju has 25 red pencils and 13 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have? What a mistake. Yeah. Raju has 25 red pencils. Don't do anything. And 13 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have? Now, in the margin, write A.
Ma'am, should I leave a line?
Now listen to me. Who's this now? Who? Now listen. You listen to me, children. One child ask everybody doing nothing. Who?
Ma'am, Cyrus.
Cyrus. Just wait, I'll tell you, okay? Just
Yes.
on the red line, word problems, class work. Don't leave any line. Okay. How it's written. If you want to leave line, ma'am will tell you. Now, A, small a. Yes, who said good morning? Some problem in the network and joined late. Take out your maths class work. Sanjay. Shashwata. Yes. Just start. Yes. Please copy this. Now, Cyrus, in the margin, you put A. Don't leave any line. And write RAJU. Those who know to write can see and write. Raju, it's not textbook, it's classwork notebook. Classwork. Raju has 25. Those who don't know how to write, I will spell the word. Capital RAJU. Raju. Leave space. Don't leave any line, children, from the first line. Has. HAS has 25 red pencils. I think you can read and write. Pencils, red pencils. RED, red. PENCILS. After September, I won't be telling the spelling of each word. Only the word I will tell, okay? And pencils, don't make spelling mistake. Many will write CLES. No, CILS. Pencils and 13 blue pencils. Full stop. Let me see. I told you have to turn on your camera. Who's that lying on the desk? Sit up straight and right. Yes. What happened, Shashweta? You didn't get the link or something? You came a little late. Okay, okay.
Some network problem.
Okay, I knew that. That's what many of, yeah, now also some children are not there. Copy that. How many pencils does he have? I'll have to go back. Listen, Kanira, did you write Kanira? I'm just waiting to see y'all.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, just copy it, okay? Everybody must copy. Then sit up straight and check whether spelling is correct. Check. Yes, good. Check the spellings. Don't leave any line. Present, you must write handwriting every day, especially English, neatly. Neatly, slowly. Okay, Present. Whenever you go to the office with your mom or dad, you can take the home study note and start writing. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
good. I don't know. Let me see now. I can't. Yes, Iris. Keep the book down and check. Okay? Don't leave any line. I'll tell you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will go back to the screen. Now, look here. I want Tridip to read this sum. Tridip, please read this sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
Raju has 25 red pencils and 13 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have?
Very good. Now, I want Arush. Arush is not there.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, good, Tridip. Good morning, Arush. Now, Arush, I want you to do something. Now, Raju has 25 red pencils. So, all must circle that 25. All must circle. Please do it. Now, all the numbers you have to circle. Okay, numbers. Now, Arush, tell me which number I have to circle again.
13.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Now, Ahil. Ahil is not there. Okay. Alan, according to the roll number I'm calling. Alan,
Yes.
George. Alan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Certain things you have to underline. That is the thing. Like red pencils, blue pencils. Now tell me the first one. Which one I have to underline? All the
20,
items. No, 25 circling. I finish circling it. Now, I have to underline the things. First one I'll tell you. Red pencils. Now tell me the next one, Alan.
Blue pencils.
Then one more thing is there down. How many? Again.
Pencils.
Very good. You know why? This means you will know number and the things when you're writing the statement. Now I will write. I will help you to write, but when you write, you have to underline all this. Okay? When I give question, it won't come. Now, everybody listen. With your scale, you have to underline with your scale. With your scale, let me see. I have to check. Now, Sachin, show me Sachin. Sorry, not Sachin. Show me your notebook, excuse me. Did you circle the number, Sachin? Closer to the camera, closer. Left side. Yeah. Yes, yes. Good, good. Present, did you do it? Kanira, did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Tridib, have you done? Tridib?
Finish.
Okay, good. Now, you have to circle the numbers and underline the things. Okay. Now, listen. Leave 2 lines now. Leave 2 lines. Write A, N, F in the margin. Everybody leave 2 lines because I did not leave here. You have to leave. Everybody leave 2 lines and write ANS in the margin. I want one of you to show me. Yes. Alan, show me your notebook, Alan. Yeah, just show. Closer to the camera. Yes. Leave 2 lines. Left side. Show left side little bit. Move it. I can't see that answer. No, the other side. Leave 2 lines. Still not seen. Alan, just closer. Did you leave 2 lines? And write ANS. Yes? Cyrus, show me. Okay, okay, Alan. Yeah. Cyrus, show me. I can, yes. Only I can see that. Leave 2 lines and Tridib, you are not keeping well. What happened? Cold. What happened, Tridib? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Take care, take care. Now, leave 2 lines. Sai Vasavi, did you leave 2 lines? Sai Vasavi?
Ma'am, I have just now joined.
Okay, never mind. You just copy it slowly, okay? Okay, no problem. You just copy that, okay? And after that, you must leave 2 lines. That's why, otherwise, on the screen, I haven't left 2 lines. Okay, now I go back to the screen. Akshara, what's your problem? Now leave 2 lines. And I want after Anandit, please come. Anandit, come on the screen. Okay, okay, now wait. Now next is Ashwant. Ashwant,
Ma'am,
can you tell me the first statement? I will start with number of. What should I write first? Number of. I'll help you. You must write 1 minute. Now, 1 minute, children, just leave it. I forgot to tell you, from the right side of your notebook, don't leave any line. Right side, you come to the right side, count 1, 2, 3, how it's shown on the screen, and draw a line like that. Everybody. Then we will start the problem. From the right corner, right side of your notebook, take 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and write tens and ones exactly like this. See, after the problem, you left 2 lines. So on the third line, you must write T and O. Okay, children? Third line, I will show you. T and O. Yeah. Now see, it should be like this. See a number of red pencils. So T and O must come just above that. Look at the screen. I told you to leave 2 lines. And the third line you write number of red pencils. So the previous line you have to write T and O. Just look at the screen same way, but you have to leave 2 lines instead of 1. Number of red pencils.
ma'am, your voice is
Now only for somebody now.
breaking, ma'am.
Akshara, no Akshara. That means there's some problem with your system. You just look at the screen and write number of red pencils equal. See how it's written? 25. First one I'll show you, otherwise you'll make mistake. 25. Some children did not get the link. That must be your network problem, okay, children? But when you enter, you just If you have any doubt, you must ask me. Now, those who joined late, just copy the sum. Clearly, I've done it. Now, number of red pencils. Next is number of blue pencils. Because you are doing first time. Equals. NO, it's enough. I will wait for you because it will take time. 13. Number of red pencils. Yes, number of blue pencils. Akshara, this work should be done beforehand. Please complete the sum fast. Statement. Present finish writing. Write neatly. Kanira, did you finish? I will wait. Number of red pencils. Number of blue pencils.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am.
Good, good.
Ma'am,
1 minute.
finished it, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Now, yes. Now I will go back. Good, good.
Ma'am, voice
Now
is
see
breaking.
What? Now, see, that's your system's problem, ma. Yeah, it's very clear. I told you I have another 2 system also. Otherwise, who's that? Who told me now? Just check. Who? Ritik. Okay, Ritik. Now, third statement. See how many
No, ma'am,
pencils?
Trideep, ma'am.
Okay. How many pencils? Just see the screen and write, okay? How many pencils? That means you have to write total pencils. That's all. Very easy. Number of red pencils, number of blue pencils, total pencils. Equals. Now, Ritik, can you tell me how to find out this answer? What should I do? See, it's shown over there. Total means what should I do? You have to?
Add it.
Okay, good. Now draw one line there. Draw one line down. Exactly like this you have to do. Then only it will be neat. Now, John Matthew, I think he did not get the link. I don't know what's his problem now. John, are you there? John? No. Next person. Kevin Johnson. Kevin. Yes, Kevin. Kevin is there. Some problem. Okay, Kevin, tell me. Add and tell me the answer. 5 plus 3. 5. Yes, 8. 2 plus 3.
3.
Very good. Now, down. Answer. 38 pencils. 38 pencils. Kevin, do you have anybody else in the house having class? Because disturbance is there. 38. Yes, okay. Please complete this 38 pencils. Look at the screen. Okay, turn off your mic. Please write. I want everybody to write. Kevin, did you finish? See, you can't complain that you did not finish. Kevin did, no, some problem. Kevin, did you write, Kevin? The whole sum. Sanjay? Okay, good. Please complete. I'm waiting. Okay, Kevin, turn off your mic. Kevin, I'm not able to see your notebook anyway. Let it be. Turn off your mic and complete. Kanira, did you finish? Now, John is
Yes,
not with Kevin.
ma'am.
Kushagra, Kushagra. These children never join. Kushagra. 10 of them are not there. Kushagra. Logesh, not there. Mithilesh. Naren. Yes, Kanira. Please complete all that and write the answer. ANS. ANS down. Yeah, good. Pencil. See, I will show you once again. Everything should be written. Please listen, children. Number of red pencils, number of blue pencils, total pencils, down 38 pencil. Leave one line, answer 38 pencil. Kanira, write pencils. Look at the screen and write. Hurry up. 38 pencils. Because I have to go to the next sum now. You all are not writing because other children finish writing and they will be waiting to see the second sum. Let me see. Listen, yes, good, good. Who's this child? Prajan, very good, Prajan. Ashwant, finish writing. Now I'll see 5 children and I'll go to the next. Shashwata, did you write Shashwata? Kanira?
Ma'am,
Kanira, when you leave, Kanira is not
finish.
Kanira. Not Kanira, I can see your book, but where is the answer? But you did not leave any line also, Kanira. Just show down, little down. See how, come on, show the notebook. I can only see the answer, not that. I want ANS, 38 pencils. Then the question I want to see, question. Okay. Now listen to me every time, okay? You have to leave 2 lines and do it. Okay, Saibas, we will go back to the next one. Take a new page. Everybody take a new page. You listen to me, children, please. Listen to me. Okay. Now, take a new page. Next page. B. All take a new page if you have place also. And listen to me carefully. Don't write word problem. Write B. Sam. S-A-M, Sam. Bought. Please look at, children, please write. You have to write yourself. B-O-U-G-H-T. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. When I ask you to leave a line, you have to leave. 18 apples. Circle, underline. How many fruits? Yeah. In all again. Sam, slowly I'll tell you. Please write. Actually, S-A-M, Sam. Children will do by themselves, parents. Let them practice. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. After that, no complaining. I did not write, she did not write. I will see 5 or 10 children. Okay. Bought 18 apples. See, circle 18. Apples, underline apples. And 41 mangoes. 41. You just concentrate only in this class. 41 mangoes. Full stop. How many fruits? After mangoes, full stop. How many fruits did he buy in all? Sam bought 18 apples and 41 mangoes. Full stop. How many fruits? F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, did he buy in all? Did he buy in all? Question mark. Yes. You can write slowly. Don't be in a hurry, because if you write fast, your hand will pain. Present, did you write present? You have to, Sanjay, what happened? You can write slowly. Sanjay, you did not write the first one? Tell me. Then why are you crying? Slowly write the second one, slowly. Mom is not going to erase or something. What happened? Tell me, Sanjay. Sanjay.
Answer
Right. Never
Answer.
mind. No, let it be, ma'am. I will show the screen. If they are leaving one line, okay, never mind, never mind. Don't do anything. Let him. He's crying. Okay, children. Now I will show you. Don't cry. I'm waiting for you. Sam bought 18 apples. Don't worry, if you haven't written, you can see the recording and write. Okay. 18 apples and 41 mangoes. Now, now do the same thing. Draw the line. So easy, you just listen to me. Only one line is drawn. Right. Number of apples. I'm not going to ask you because today is the first day. Afterwards, we'll do once again. Yes. Number of apples. Slowly you can write.
I joined, Mom.
Never mind, you can. Who's that Sri Mukhilan? Must be who? John. John, don't worry. John, don't do anything because already time. You can go to the recording and do it slowly. Okay. Okay, John.
Okay, Mom.
There won't be enough time. Only 3 minutes more. I have some network problem. Just listen to this. Number of apples, 18. It's shown clearly. Don't do anything. You can do it later. Now, after number of apples, number of mangoes. Those children, those who have finished, you can copy this. I will wait. Number of mangoes, the number 41. Now, I need, Kushagra is not there, Mithilesh, Naren, so many are not there. John, now I want the total number, John. Now, I'll show the sign here, wait. Can you help me from the screen? You tell me.
Yes, Mom.
Now, 18. When you do something, what? Total fruits. How to find out total fruits? Now, wait.
Add.
Very good. See that? Okay, John, help me now. Those who are doing, please do it slowly. What is 8 plus 1, John?
8 plus 1 equals 7.
Never mind.
9.
9. Very good. 9. See the lines I have drawn, the same way you have to do. What is 1 plus 4?
1 plus 4 equals 5.
5. Now you just see the question there. Therefore, the 3 dot is very, very important. See a 3 dot. Therefore, that is therefore. Now I ask for total fruits. So what should I write for the answer down? Answer 59 what? Look. 59.
The answer 55 fruits.
Not 55. 59 fruits. Don't be in a hurry. You just see somebody is whispering. See, parents, don't worry. Let them learn. They will make mistake. Now look at the screen once again. Children, number of apples, 18. Don't worry, John. Number of mangoes, 41. Okay, turn off your mic. Thank you, John. Total fruits. Only just keep in your mind. Apples, mangoes, fruits. That's why I underlined there in the sum. 18 plus 41, you are getting 59. What is that 59? You cannot write apples or mangoes. Apples and mangoes together, we call fruits. You see the last statement, third one, total fruits. The same word should be written down with the answer, 59 fruits. If you write 59, I'll cut half mark for the fruit. Altogether, you'll get 5 marks. 2 marks for the statement, 2 marks for the sum, the addition, 1 mark for the answer down. So you'll get 5. If you don't write 59 fruits, 1 mark will be cut. So you must be very, very careful now. All can copy it. Let me see. Yes. Alan, can you show me your notebook? John, you don't worry. Later you can do. Okay. John, don't worry. Okay. Afterwards you can write. Alan, yes. Who's the next? Very good. Who's that? Shashwat? Alan, finish. Cyrus, Shashwat, slowly. Kevin, all must complete your work. Sachin, what happened? Good, good. Sachin, slowly. Write slowly. Yes. Next time, no, I don't want anybody to. Sanjay. Sanjay is little bit playing like out of mood. Yes. Sachin, show me your notebook. Next time, ma'am will teach you. Don't worry. Today's first day. We will do once again the sums next week, coming week. Good, good. Sachin, show. Did you write the answer down? Answer.
I'm writing.
Okay, right. No problem. Finish writing means okay. When they are listening to me, they will do slowly. Okay, good. Who's this? Kanira, good. Now you can close your notebook. Children, 1 minute. I will just wait 5 minutes for the ones, those who came late.
Ma'am,
Yes, 1 minute.